we put cars back on the road every day, but we kind of look at this program as putting a family back on the road, you know? So this is kind of a special way to take what we do every day and not just repair a car, but kind of repair a family's future. It's just really hard to imagine. I mean, if I think about my day and my schedule and being a mom, and just think about how I would tackle those things without transportation or with a challenging situation around transportation. A lot of times these families are sharing cars. You know, they're just getting rides from friends, coworkers, family members, but it doesn't allow them to do things like after-school activities with the kids a lot of times. You know, there's not a lot of recreational things, going to the zoo, going to, you know, things that we just kind of take for granted, I think, as parents, you know, in our busy schedules. We just get in our car and go. You know, it's been over 20 years. So over the years, vendors and community folks have heard about it, other businesses, friends, family of employees. So it's really kind of become a snowball to become a pretty big team effort to really gift this family a pretty big Christmas package.
Whenever we get the cars, we put in a sign-up sheet, and and it's volunteer basis, and the sign-up sheet fills out pretty quick.
I'm going to be building it. Now that it's painted, I'm just going to make sure it's back together and that everything's working properly. I've never been part of anything like that, and I don't know of many shops that do that, honestly. So it was very new to me, and I was interested, and I was glad to help out at the time.
I painted the car, so that was my responsibility, was making sure it looks nice and pretty for the receiving family to enjoy it. Seeing the faces, the smiles, once the family gets it, once the little kids see that they have a car that they'll be able to drive and go to school, won't have to catch a bus or stuff like that. And that's really what makes it. The feeling you get from knowing that you're helping somebody in need, it's unparalleled to anything else. It's just one of a kind.
We've been here our whole lives. We chose to stay here. We chose to raise our family here. And to give back is just what you do. I mean, the community has supported us, and we just feel like giving back to the community and supporting the community is the right way to be.